In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a recipient in Adobe Sign. Whether you're managing contracts or updating signatories, this process can be quite handy. Let's dive right in and go through the steps to make this change efficiently. First, you'll want to access a web browser. Choose any of the popular ones like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari for this task. Open your preferred browser, and once you're ready, navigate to the Adobe Sign public login page. You can get there by typing in the URL, which is secure.adobesign.com/public/login, directly in the address bar of your browser and hitting enter. Once you reach the login page, you'll see several options to enter your account. If you originally signed up for Adobe using a social media account like Google or Facebook, be sure to click on the corresponding button to streamline your sign-in process. This is a convenient way to access your account without having to remember another password. Upon successful login, you'll have access to all the Adobe products, services, and cloud storage linked to your account. This is your hub for managing documents, agreements, and much more. So, from here, you'll want to head to Acrobat to begin the process of changing a recipient. In Acrobat, click on Explore, and then you're going to want to select Documents. This section gives you a comprehensive view of all the documents you've worked with. Take a moment to navigate around if you're not familiar with it, as it's essential for managing document flow. Next, direct your attention to the Agreements section and select those that are marked as In Progress. This specifically refers to documents that have been sent out but have not yet been completed. This is where you'll be able to see and modify the information regarding recipients. From the list of in-progress agreements, select the one you need to update. After you click on it, a menu will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find various options related to the document in question. Now, for the key step, hover your mouse over the recipient name that you wish to change. You should see an option to replace the recipient. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to fill in the rest of the details for the new recipient. This includes information like the new email address or name, so double-check for accuracy to avoid any mix-ups in the signing process. Following these steps ensures that your document is redirected appropriately, helping streamline your workflow. And there you have it, a straightforward method to change a recipient in Adobe Sign. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials.